Best 3. Cartman 3-ton jack stands. Cartman 3-ton jack stand features a double locking pawl and tooth design for extra protection. The one-piece multi-position ductile ratchet bar provides super strength and durability. The quick adjustment mechanism securely locks it into the desired location, providing extra safety. Meets or exceeds ANSI requirements. 278mm to 415mm. Check the description for best price and details. Best 2. Bottle jack with jack stand. Power-built offers anything you need for heavy lifting in garage or shop. 6,000-pound capacity. Patented design combines jack stand and bottle jack in one unit. Safety bar locks unit at desired height. Wide steel base for stability under load. Dimensions: 9.75 L x 9.75 inches wide by 12.25 inches high. Made to be the most reliable tools in the market today. Check the description for best price and details. Best 1. Big red steel jack stands. Lightweight jack stands used to support your vehicle after lifting with a jack. Sold and used in pairs, ranges in height from 10.33 inches to 16.5 inches with a 2-ton capacity. Constructed of high-grade forged steel with the welded frame designed for durability. Large saddle surface area for better contact with the load being supported. Meets ASM safety standards and includes a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. And stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe for next updates.